How can I share multiple links on my Instagram bio that go to my free download, go to my latest YouTube video, my YouTube channel, and my YouTube marketing course when Instagram only allows one clickable link on the Instagram bio? Stay tuned to the end of the video to discover a clever app you can use, plus how to create your own landing page where you can display multiple links. I'll also discuss the pros and cons of the different options. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon to be notified about future videos. Number 1, Linktree. Here's how Linktree works. They give you a link to put in your Instagram bio. Then when you click on it, it shows multiple links on the page. Go to Linktree, click sign up free, enter your information, or if you already have an Instagram account, just click sign up with Instagram. It says, hi, Video Bootcamp. Linktree is requesting to do the following. Access your basic information. Click authorize. It says, get started. We just need to confirm a few details. You'll be managing your links in no time. So here's my Linktree address. It's my name. You're going to put in my email. Tell us about yourself. Select 3 categories that best describe your Linktree. Creative, influencer, business professional. Check I'm not a robot. I agree to Linktree terms of service. Say details. I can select the plans. The free plan includes get unlimited links on your Linktree, see the total number of times each link has been clicked, see lifetime views on your Linktree, pick from a selection of Linktree themes, upload your own profile image, Amazon influencer program integration. I think this suits most people that want to get Linktree. Alternatively, you can pay $6 per month to get lifetime clicks and views, see daily clicks and views, capture visitors' email address, remove the Linktree logo, see day-by-day breakdown of link traffic, customization of your colors, change the title of your Linktree, temporarily send visitors to one link with leap links. I don't need that. I'm just going to go with the free version, continue with free. Click continue with free. Thanks for signing up. Verify your account. Okay, here it is. Verify your Linktree email address. Click verify email. Your account has been verified. Continue. It says start by creating your first link. Click the button to add one. Click add new link. First link is going to be download free YouTube channel audit. Put the link in there. Click add new link. Okay, it's a little long, so maybe I'll change that to YouTube audit. I have the option to get Linktree Pro, which means I can add a thumbnail, priority link, can schedule, see link clicks with Pro. Okay, let's add another link. Let's put latest YouTube video. Send people to my videos page. Also going to put on my YouTube channel. Okay, this one I'm going to edit. I'm going to edit the title so it's all on one line. So I've got latest YouTube video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, download free YouTube audit. So I can also move these around, say, so I want to put this channel audit at the top, so I can just drag and drop it to the top. So now I've got download free YouTube audit. Latest YouTube video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I've got the links here. I can also click on settings. I can upload an avatar, which will be my face. And I can also select a different theme if I wish. So I got all these different custom themes. This one, this one, this one. Looks pretty nice. Okay, I'm going to go with this one. After I've customized everything, it says put this URL in your Instagram profile. So I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go to Instagram. Click edit profile. Where it says website, I'm going to change this to my Linktree link. Click submit. And this is how Linktree looks on my phone. So if I tap the link in my Instagram bio, it takes me to my Linktree landing page. Number 2, personal landing page. Here's the link in the bio to my personal landing page. If I tap on the link, I can see I've got my latest video, latest blog post, YouTube channel, YouTube course, and download the free YouTube channel audit. If I tap on latest video, you get my latest video at the top of the screen. If I tap on latest blog post, it takes me to my latest blog post on my website. If I tap on YouTube channel, it takes me to my YouTube channel. If I tap on YouTube course, it takes me to the landing page of my YouTube course. If I tap on download free YouTube channel audit, it takes me to my landing page. So as you can see, I've got one link in my Instagram bio. It takes me to a page where I can have multiple links. If I want to change any of those links, I can just go into my web page and change them. I don't have to go to Instagram. Let me show you how to quickly create this landing page using the Thrive Architect plugin for WordPress. Step 1. Install the Thrive Architect plugin. Click the link in the card to watch my review of Thrive Architect plugin. Log into your website, click Dashboard, click Install Plugins. You see I've got the Thrive Architect plugin installed. So I'm going to go to Pages, Add New, add a title, call this Video, add a title here again. Then under Page Attributes, I'm going to select Landing, click Save Draft, click Launch Thrive Architect, click the plus icon which says Add Element, scroll down to the bottom, click Stylize Box. Now you get a bunch of templates here. You can choose any of these different designs, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose this fancy resource boxes. So click on that, click Choose Template, and you just change the title on these, like latest YouTube video. And to add the link, just click on the button here, and it says button link here, so put my link in there. So now I've got a link for my latest YouTube video, and you can do the same for YouTube channel, your landing page, your course, etc. Perhaps you only want 3 links, so you just eliminate one of these. Just click the trash icon, click the trash icon again to remove the column. Now you've got a banner, so now you just have 3. You just make this latest video so it looks horizontal. After you've done all that, just click Save Work, and now you can preview the page. Here's the page. You can also view it from your tablet. Here's how it looks on the phone. Let me show you the finished page again. Here's my finished landing page for my Instagram bio. If I click on Edit with Thrive Architect, I can use the preview option. So here's how it looks on a tablet, and here's how it looks on my phone. And here's how the page looks on my desktop. Let's look at the pros and cons of these different options. What are the pros and cons of Linktree? Easy to set up, share multiple links, track views and clicks with a paid option. What are the cons of Linktree? It's not on your own domain name, unable to include your own branding, not free if you upgrade to the Pro option. What are the pros and cons of having a personal landing page? You own the domain name, customize as you wish, include your own branding. You own the URL, so you're not taking people off site. Viewers know they're going to the right place. The cons are you need a website or blog and need to install the Thrive Architect plugin. You also need web hosting for your website. If you already have a WordPress website or blog, then you can easily install the Thrive Architect plugin. You can also use it to quickly and easily create hundreds of landing pages. Let me ask you a question. What method do you use to share your links on Instagram? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Did you know you can also share a clickable link of your YouTube video or YouTube channel on IGTV? Watch my next video on how to share a clickable link from YouTube on IGTV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.